Hey guys, we're getting back to what I think a lot of you actually want to watch here. This is my old sawmill. We're going to try to get this thing going. If you take a look at it, as Copper is clearly showing, the frame on this thing, it's all busted. Pretty much the wood is junk at this point. It's rotted. It was outside for a while before I got it, and it needs to be redone. So the plan is I'm going to go show you all the pieces on here. I'm going to go clean up and redo all the metal pieces of this, and then I'd like to hear what you guys think about it. I'm thinking about doing a steel frame instead of a wood frame. I think it might hold up a little better, and I think I've got just the thing for it. So let's see what we got on here. You can see someone sort of repaired it at one point, but this wood's pretty toasted. It's even split down here. Some nails stuck in it. That's just got to get changed. This corner was kind of in the dirt. Oh, and one thing that's kind of neat, this was a rope tow. I think there's a piece of rope on here still. Yeah. This wasn't a cable, this is a rope. It's got a piece of, looks like some hemp rope here. That's the original. This mill was from Canada, and then it was taken down to southern New Hampshire by the guy's dad, and I think he said the early 80s, and now I've got it. So let's see if we can get it all back together. Let me know what you think. So this mill has a return function on it, which operates based on this gear here with a pulley on the bottom. So when the mill's coming back after you're done milling and you want to reset the whole mill, you engage that bottom pulley. It was on a board with some friction material on it, and it shoots the whole carriage back so you're ready for your next log. So there's a few pieces associated with that need to be cleaned up. These bearings actually all look pretty good. We'll see as we get it apart. All the cogs and the teeth here look pretty good. So I think it's all pretty good to go. Now I have started, this was just an extra one. I started sandblasting these, and this is what I want to do to everything. So I'm going to sandblast them so they're all ready to go. And once they're all blasted, I'm going to paint all the pieces, and then I'll have some nice fresh chunks to put back on. So we go down. These are all in pretty good shape. This guy's kind of frozen up, and you can see it's been repaired before. When I blast it, I'll have to look and see how the repair actually, how solid it is. It doesn't look like the top's cracked, so it was probably just cracked. I do have some of this stuff still functions, so like that still moves, which is nice. This part's frozen up, so we'll have to free some stuff up. These dogs are still working, so that'll be good. This one actually has the holder to try to keep it from smashing the wood up, although I think it does anyway. This one's still free. That's kind of jammed up on there. The mill building this was in, when I got it, had collapsed. So this handle's bent. It's got a crack in it here, so I'll have to heat it and straighten it and fix that. And these are all kind of jammed up, so I'll have to get this freed up. I'll probably try to free it up in here, and if I can't get it quite free, maybe I'll start to take the rust off. If you guys have any suggestions on how to actually get this to go, I'm all ears. You can see it's pretty well rusted up. This one also has been repaired on here, and it's pretty seized. You can see it's turning in the wood, but we'll get that freed up. I think it's just some rust, probably a little bit of heat. Tap on it a little bit. On our set here, there is some wear, but it all seems to function. And this does turn. You can actually see the gears all move and everything. And that comes up. So this needs some cleanup, but I think it's all functional. The handle is off. This cast piece is busted. I'll probably just machine a nice new piece for this. So that's supposed to go up here. This dog, I think, is just wedged. And then we got a Sawyer's favorite. So these are kind of cool. They do just about everything. That's a little stuck, but this one still goes. And this one actually still works pretty well. This screw is jammed up on here. None of this is really anything I'm particularly concerned about. It's just going to take a little elbow grease to get it going. It does still have all the old stuff here, the scale. And it's tipped over. I'm going to try to save this one. I might remake it, but it still has all the numbers in it, and it's got the weight with the little line and a couple pulleys with a chain. It's pretty neat how they did this. So I don't know if that exact piece of wood will be in the final version, but I think I'll probably at least remake it if I don't use that one. I do still have all the wheels on here. They do turn. I'm sure I'll be reusing those because, well, they fit the track. So let me know what you think. If you guys have worked on any mills like this or know much about the different parts. I'm eager to get into it, but I'm not exactly an expert on every last piece. So hope you guys want to see how this goes and follow along, and let me know what you think. If you got any ideas, suggestions, stuff I'm doing wrong, let me know. If you like it, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to keep working on this. It'll help you follow along, and hope it's good.